In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do spacing in WordPress, making it easy for you to enhance the layout of your website. Let's dive right in and get your site looking exactly the way you want it in no time, so stay tuned. First things first, you'll need to navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type the URL into the address bar. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, look for the login option, which you'll find at the top right of the screen. Click on it to begin the login process. Now, most of us these days have a Google account, and WordPress makes it incredibly simple to log in using your Google credentials. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies things by tying your WordPress account to your Google account. Next, you'll need to select your Google account from the list that appears. WordPress will ask for your permission to access certain information, and you'll likely be familiar with this step if you've logged into services using Google before. Just pick the account associated with your WordPress, click on it, and you're on your way. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Look to the right panel under the quick link section and you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on Edit Site, which will take you to the site editor where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments. Editing here is an intuitive process and WordPress makes it quite straightforward. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the top left of the screen where you will find the Add button. This is your gateway to adding new features and elements to your website, including the spacing element. Click on the Add button and a search bar will appear. What you'll want to do next is type in the word spacer. The spacer is essentially a block that lets you add some breathable space between elements on your web page, a key element in creating a clean, uncluttered layout. After typing in spacer, options will appear below. Find the spacer block in the list and click on spacer. Doing this will insert a spacer into your page, allowing you to adjust the space between paragraphs, images, or any other block elements. With just a few clicks, you're able to tidy up the look and flow of your content, making it much more visually appealing to your audience. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage spacing in your WordPress website. This feature is perfect for keeping your site looking sharp and organized. Remember, good spacing can significantly improve the user experience by making content more digestible and visually enticing. Thanks for watching, and happy WordPress designing.